Red Pocket Mobile offers several convenient ways to refill your prepaid account. This ensures uninterrupted service without contracts. The primary methods include adding funds online, using refill pins, and setting up autopay. Let's explore each option in detail. To add funds online, simply log into the Red Pocket website or mobile app. A refreshed version with AI-powered refill recommendations launched in Q2 2025. Navigate to the Add Funds section and choose your preferred payment method. Options include debit credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and even cryptocurrency payments like Bitcoin and Ethereum in select states. Funds are usually credited instantly or within minutes, with minimum amounts starting around $10. Refill pins, available as physical cards from retailers or digital codes from online vendors such as Amazon, provide an alternative. These vouchers can be redeemed via the Red Pocket website or app by entering the PIN code. They are available in denominations typically ranging from $20 to $200, making them suitable for gifting or bulk purchases. Finally, AutoPay allows you to set up recurring payments, such as a monthly $50 refill, linked to a saved payment method. This feature prevents service interruptions by automatically adding funds when your balance reaches a customizable threshold. You'll also receive notifications to keep you informed. These options make refilling your Red Pocket service simple and flexible. Beyond basic refills, Red Pocket offers promo codes that can significantly boost your savings. These codes provide discounts or bonus credits, often tied to holidays or partnerships. All refill methods add funds to your talk, text, and data allowances. Importantly, unused balances roll over for up to 90 days, maximizing the value of your prepaid plan. Red Pocket prioritizes your security with robust measures. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, and all transactions are encrypted. The service adheres to PCI DSS standards for financial data security. Network reliability stands at 98% uptime in Q3 2025. However, users may experience delays in PIN redemption during peak seasons. Red Pocket addresses this with a 24/7 customer support chatbot for immediate assistance. For optimal security, always purchase refill pins from reputable sources to avoid scams. This ensures safe and legitimate transactions.